Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Patrick here. Today is going to be a very crazy, fun, interesting day. So let's get right into it. Hope everybody's having a good day today. A rainy day right now. It's like, I think it's raining a little bit. So to celebrate my friend Daniel's birthday today. Today's actually birthday, so I'm going to go hang out with him and his family at a bowling alley that I've never been to. So it's going to be so much fun just hanging out celebrating his birthday. And I need to wrap his gift. I'm gonna do that in a little while. But first, I need to get my laptop, get a little things done on my laptop real quick. But otherwise, it's been a very good day. I am just really trying to relax, take it easy because I'm not too stressed out about really applying for jobs in web design, which I need to keep on doing research. So I think I'm gonna get a little bit done today before I go. It's just gonna be a very crazy, interesting day. Just get things done and then go and have fun later today. So I just really am so excited just to hang out with my friend Daniel. Hang out with Daniel and just really celebrate his birthday and just really so exciting. And I don't have to be there until like 6 because that's when the party is. So it's from 6 to 8. It's gonna be so much fun. I'm very excited. Right now, I'm gonna get what I need to get done before I go. Got a couple things done on my laptop. Sent an email to my mom of a PowerPoint that I created for her for work, and I tried to send it to her work email. It didn't go through, so I sent it to her regular email, and it went through. So it was very crazy because when I sent it through her work email, it said it was a large file and wouldn't go through. So when I sent it through regular email, it just went fine and she got it. So it is crazy how that is. I did get a little bit more research done in jobs in web design. Wrote down in this book. I was going to apply for more jobs in web design and finish the application that I didn't finish yesterday. And I realized that I need to start wrapping my friend Daniel's birthday present because I need to get that done before I go. Because we leave between like 5 and 5:30 because the party's not until 6. So I really am gonna get that done and just keep on taking it easy and get a little bit more done before I go. It's about 2:58 and I'm gonna wrap the birthday present and eat something because I'm a little bit hungry. So it's just been a very crazy day. I'm going to relax and later gonna have a good fun time and have my friend Daniel as a party. And it's gonna be fun celebrating Daniel's birthday today, and this is actual birthday, so it's really fun celebrating at the bowling alley. And like I said before, I've never been to that bowling alley before. So it's going to be very interesting. I am going to enjoy it a lot. So now, I'm just going to relax and wrap the birthday present. Got the birthday present at the table, ready to go. So when I leave, I just grab it and go. I'm going to sit here, eat the peanut butter jelly with some chips, just really relax, and if I have enough time, I'll get more things done. So I'm gonna try to take it easy, eat as much as I can, because normally when I'm excited or nervous, I tend not to eat too much. So let's see how things go. So I'm just gonna really relax and try not to really show my excitement, so I can like at least eat something before I go. And I'm not gonna probably not eat too much anyway. So it's just very crazy. I did eat all the food on the plate, and even though I was excited, I knew I need to eat. So, like I said before, I don't really eat as much if I'm excited or nervous, and I am glad that I was able to eat. So right now, I'm just keep chilling. I got some clothes in the washer. Put them in the dryer when they're done. I'm gonna put some clothes. Just really enjoy this rainy day. It's been raining off and on all day. And it's just been very crazy. So I'm gonna relax and then later get ready to go to celebrate my friend Dana's birthday at the bowling alley. It's gonna have fun, hang out with him. I'm gonna go and listen to the bowling alley to celebrate my friend Dino's birthday today. Go have a good fun time. Made it to the bowling alley. I love bowling. Gonna go in and celebrate. Yeah, look at these cups. Huh. About to see this light, but yeah, I'm trying to think which one to want. The cups, some designs on them.
Isn't it cool?
That is cool. Look at this, Mom. You can see better out here. Got food ready to celebrate. Friend Dana's birthday. Gonna have a good time bowling. It's all set up. Alright, everybody's ready to bowl.
Everyone to jump up, without
Okay.
further ado, let's begin.
Well, try to hit that one there. Here we go.
Voila, we're ready to play.
Oh. got home long ago. It's about 11:26 now, and I really am tired. Need to get some rest so I can get up tomorrow and just really take it easy and hang out with my mom. Gonna go get a haircut, and the appointment's not until 11:30, so we gotta get up around 9. And then I think we're also gonna go see the live action Lilo and Stitch movie. But we'll see how it goes tomorrow. Overall, I just had a good, fun day hanging out with my friend Daniel, celebrating his birthday, and just really having a good, fun time bowling and hanging out with his family and his other friends. I really enjoyed it a lot, and I really like spending time with my friend Daniel, and he's just been my friend since elementary school, so we knew each other for a long time, and I'm really glad that we get together. Sometimes it's hard to get together with him because I've been wanting to get together with him for like a while, and he's been like swimming a lot lately. It's been like a couple of my weekends having some swim meets, so he's been busy and I've been busy, so it's really hard to get together with him. As much as I want to get together with him, it's been difficult, so I'm going to really try to get together with him as much as I can. But it's just been a very crazy day today. Alright, I really need to get the rest because I am really tired. I was gonna read a little bit, but I'm not gonna do that because I got a headache because the music was so loud in the place. And I was trying to speak up a little bit while I was there. Hopefully you guys could hear me when I was in there. I didn't have this microphone with me because I sort of bought it, but I didn't think about that. But it's just really crazy. So yeah. So thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, hit the bell, and be who you are. Bye.